Hello, fellow drivers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of road safety and convenience with our top picks for the best dash cams in 2024. Whether you're a daily commuter or an occasional road tripper, having the right dash cam can make all the difference. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below and check out the links provided to find the perfect dash cam for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and road safety tips. Let's rev up and explore these incredible gadgets. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Don't let its size fool you. This compact powerhouse captures crisp footage, ensuring you're covered without compromising your windshield view. This car key-sized gadget might be small, but it's packed with incredible features that ensure you're always covered on the road. Mounted discreetly behind your rearview mirror, this tiny cam automatically records and saves video of incidents, keeping you reassured without drawing attention. With its wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, the Dash Cam Mini 2 captures 1080p video with stunning detail, whether it's day or night. Plus, with voice control available in multiple languages, you can easily command it to save videos, start/stop audio recordings, or take still pictures. But that's not all. The Mini 2 takes it a step further. Saved videos are securely uploaded via Wi-Fi to an online vault for later viewing and sharing. The parking guard feature keeps an eye on your parked car, alerting you of any incidents detected. Even when you're away, you're still connected. Through the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone, access live view monitoring and get real-time awareness of what's happening around your parked vehicle. You can even link up to 4 dash cams for comprehensive coverage. At number 4, we've got the 70mm A800S dash cam. Packed with smart features and impressive image quality, it's your trusty companion on the road, offering high-resolution footage for that added peace of mind. This advanced dash cam doesn't just capture moments on the road, it's your ultimate driving companion. The 70mm A800S offers an excellent 4K Ultra HD dual camera setup. With its front and 70mm 1080p RC06 rear camera, you're equipped with dual vision recording, ensuring you've got eyes both ahead and behind you, making your drive safer and more secure. Worried about low-light conditions? Fear not. The A800S delivers powerful night vision, exceeding traditional standards. Equipped with 3D DNR and a wide aperture lens, this dash cam ensures crystal-clear footage even in challenging lighting or weather conditions. Plus, its 24-hour parking surveillance, triggered by the G sensor, keeps a vigilant watch on your car when you're away. Safety is paramount, and that's where the Advanced Driving Assistance System ADAS shines. Detecting lane markings, providing real-time voice alerts, and preventing forward collisions, this dash cam keeps you informed and secure. Equipped with built-in GPS, it records trip data, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Controlling and sharing footage? Easy peasy. The 70my app, compatible with both iOS and Android, allows seamless video download and sharing via Wi-Fi hotspot. If the unexpected happens, swiftly share the footage with your insurer for hassle-free claims processing. With seamless loop recording, the A800S ensures continuous video capture, overriding the oldest footage when the SD card reaches full capacity. Don't worry, it supports microSD cards with 32 GB capacity or higher, ensuring you never miss a moment. Stepping in at number 3 is the Vantre In5. Known for its versatility and 4K clarity, this dash cam doesn't just record the road ahead, but also offers an interior view, perfect for rideshare drivers or families on the move. The Vantre In5 isn't your average dash cam. It's a 4-channel powerhouse, capturing a complete 360 degrees view. With its front, rear, and cabin cameras, it covers every angle, ensuring there are no blind spots. Recording at a maximum resolution of 2.7K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p, it offers unparalleled 4x protection, giving you a full guard. 360 degrees coverage. What sets the N5 apart? Its innovative rear cabin camera, perfect for keeping an eye on passengers, kids, or pets in the backseat. Plus, it safeguards against incidents like break-ins or collisions from the sides. No blind spots. Just complete peace of mind. Sony's Starvis 2 night vision technology ensures crystal-clear footage, even in low-light conditions. It captures license plates and surroundings vividly. With infrared lights, the interior recording remains crisp, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or commercial fleet drivers. Connectivity? Top-notch. With 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, it's faster and more accurate. Use the free Vantre app to tweak settings, preview footage, or track your route. The 24-hour buffered parking mode offers continuous protection. Motion detection and collision sensors ensure no moment goes unrecorded. Want easy control? The In5 understands voice commands in multiple languages, minimizing distractions while driving. Plus, its smart design allows for easy detachment. And rest assured, it's built to withstand extreme temperatures and ensures reliability in any condition. So that's the Vantre In5, a reliable witness on the road, offering unmatched 360 degrees coverage. Securing the second spot is the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. With its wide-angle lens and superior video quality, it's your reliable eyewitness, capturing every detail of your journey with precision. First off, the 67W is a sleek, pocket-sized camera that discreetly sits on your windshield. Don't let its size fool you. With an extra-wide 180-degree lens, it captures a broader view of your surroundings. Recording in 1440p HD with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, it delivers crisp detail both day and night. Want hands-free control? The 67W supports voice commands in multiple languages. Use your voice to save videos, take photos, or start/stop audio recordings. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, your saved videos securely upload to the online vault for easy viewing and sharing later. Worried about your parked vehicle? The parking guard feature keeps a watchful eye on any activity around your car and alerts you if something's amiss. Plus, with remote live view monitoring via the Garmin Drive app, you can check in on your car even when you're away. Safety's key. The 67W provides essential driver alerts like forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and speed camera alerts, enhancing your awareness on the road. However, some features might vary based on region and conditions. And now, claiming the top spot, our number one pick, the Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. This feature-packed gem offers stunning 4K resolution, enhanced connectivity, and groundbreaking features, setting a new standard for dash cams. First up, the 622GW records in pristine 4K quality. This means capturing finer details and crucial number plates is as sharp as it gets in a dash cam. Plus, with enhanced image stabilization, vibrations from your vehicle won't impact your footage quality. Expect incredibly steady playback, making details like number plates clearer than ever. Dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi in the 622GW ensures lightning-fast transfer speeds. Quickly download footage to your phone hassle-free. And here's a unique feature, defogging. It helps see through fog, potentially crucial in identifying vehicles and plates, particularly in foggy conditions. Super slow motion is a game-changer. Watch your 622GW footage at 1080p and 120 frames per second, enabling you to closely examine incidents and capture critical details, like number plates, essential for determining fault. So that's a quick look at the Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. With its 4K recording, advanced stabilization, high-speed Wi-Fi, defogging feature, and super slow motion capability, it's undoubtedly pushing the boundaries in dashcam technology. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. There you have it, our top 5 dash cams for 2024, each offering unique features and reliability to make your driving experience safer and more secure. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below and check out the links provided to find the perfect dash cam for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and road safety tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.